One demo and two speakers. So let's start with the demo. And gentlemen, we shall have there Anssi Klapuri, the CTO of Yousician, and Matti Pesonen, a guru. Anssi, what is Yousician?
Yousician is quite young, 6 years old growth company. We are like 70 people now in Otaniemi, and our job is to reimagine music education so that everybody could play a music instrument. So we develop applications, mobile applications mainly, that give real-time feedback to people how they play. And the idea is to make like learning music fun and engaging from the very first note that people start playing.
And I'm still reminding you that use the Twitter and take some cool pictures. There seems to be some rock and roll. AI, how do you utilize AI in your product?
Yeah, the idea of our apps is that we use a real music instrument, acoustic or electric instrument, as a game controller. So we basically read the audio from the instrument via the device's internal microphone. You can put your phone on the table and start playing an acoustic guitar, for example. So the task is basically very same as speech recognition. But not for speech, but for music in this case. And we use it as a game controller, so it means that if it doesn't work, there's nothing you can do with our app, so it has to work. And then we just give feedback on like the timing and the pitch accuracy and various aspects of users playing. And this kind of task of just understanding and analyzing audio. So for us, like the target signal is musical audio and then recognizing what's going on.
Would we like to see and hear what he's talking of? All right, 9 or so minutes, go.
Yeah, thanks.
I'll just demo the main gameplay mode we have here. Skip the chord parts here. If I miss a note, colors it red. If I play a bit ahead, and for example, there's a tricky part there. You can slow down and make it a bit more easier for you to pass that. Yeah.
Do you want to say something? Yeah, the basic idea is if you play right note, you get it green. If it's wrong, it's red. And then it also tells about the timing, which is especially good if you have already practiced the song, then you can actually still improve your score by improving the timing of it. And then there are bends and this kind of expression-like things.
Yep.
Do you want to demo the transcription next? Sure. Yeah, so another thing, so here we were recognizing the user's input playing. Here we are using electric guitar. It usually works better on trade fairs because there can be really a lot of noise. Here we could have actually used acoustic, it turns out. Also, now we demo another feature of the app where you play along with YouTube videos. You have a favorite song on YouTube, you want to play along with that. Of course, you don't have the playing instructions for that, but the app actually analyzes the soundtrack of the YouTube and generates a playing instruction. So let's see how it goes.
Yes, so for example, this is a Yousician song from YouTube, and it's been automatically transcribed. The audio, I'll change the sound from the rock and roll distortion sound to a more pleasant, clean sound here. And you can see the YouTube in the right corner, and these are the chords. We've analyzed their so it's automatically transcribed with no human interaction there, just by teaching the system to analyze the chords from the audio, and then it becomes like a playing instruction for me to like play my favorite song on my instrument, which can be guitar, ukulele, or bass, for instance.
Yeah, this is actually something we use on our company's internal jamming sessions also. Like if you don't have the notes, you just click on YouTube and then have the chords going there, and people improvise there. The basic idea is that like the universal search within the app actually searches not only within our own songs but also within YouTube. So if there is a match from YouTube, then you can immediately click on that. It goes to our backend server that has been trained. So that's basically this deep learning stuff going on, and then spills out chords. The app gets them loaded from the backend, and then you can start playing. And only the first person, of course, has to do this transcription step. For the rest, it's then already kind of analyzed YouTube video, so that we don't need to reprocess it. Yes?
Happening in the demo is that you prefetch the video and you generate on the fly its course. Can you also determine what instrument?
Yes, now user has chosen the instrument already, so it's known by the app, yes. But yes, in this case, it was not transcribed on the fly because we already tried before launching the demo here. So the backend already knew it. So we would have needed erase this song in order to actually reprocess it. Yeah, it takes something like 10 or 20 seconds for the first user to actually process a new song that has never heard. But yeah. Yes?
What song would you like to hear from YouTube?
Yeah, go ahead. Paranoid. Let's go ahead.
Okay.
And Petri, please stop us when you run out of time, but there's no end to it. Yep.
So what's happening in the background now?
Yeah, now it actually downloaded the backing track already to the backend server, and now it's doing the analysis and waiting for the backend to actually like report. Thanks. Now it's creating exercise, and now this is where the user just gives a name to this song, an artist, whoever that is, and other labels.
So this is kind of the crowdsourcing part where...
Yes.
Okay.
This, somebody already used those, so. Of course, we also have an in-app editor, so they can actually manually write the exercise for a song. So this is kind of transcription, because most people are not able to generate. So this is where it. Yeah, and now we can start playing. We can't hear your guitar. Your guitar is 0 volume, I guess.
No, I'll just put some distortion there.
Okay. Yeah, that's more fitting. No, you can't play this.